Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to change sharpness for your Samsung Odyssey G7. So in order to do that, you will need to press the button which is located right under the Samsung logo and navigate your way to the menu like that. Now when you be in the menu, find the picture, click on it and scroll down to sharpness. Click on it again and you'll be able to adjust it to how much you want. Now the second way to do this is to go back from the menu and just push the button forward like that, and again navigate to sharpness and change it to whatever amount you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.